Shoutouts to Rice for giving me the idea of today's video. First of all, sorry for my voice, it's kinda weak right now. I'm a little bit sick and tired. So yeah, hope y'all understand. In this video we are going to create 3D texts by using AI. I'm going to use Midjourney for this. And yeah, if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like. And I already started the giveaway on my Discord server for a free header, which will be made in the next video. If this video right here gets 50 likes, I will instantly upload the new video. It will be a speed art, and I will make a header by also using AI. So I try to use as much AI as possible on the new header. This means I will get an AI text, an AI render, or possible multiple renders from only using AI. Also getting stock images from AI and not using a pack, at least I try to. And also giving an idea and theme for the header by using ChatGPT. If you enjoyed the video, again, please leave a like and let's go. Okay, so once you open up Midjourney, you're going to press on create, and then you will go to this tab right here and type in whatever you want. I typed in text and then planes, the text, 3D text in this layer style, and then I just uploaded an image of my own text. Of course, AI won't be able to replicate it like exactly the same, but it should be good enough. And then again, it's AI, so you have to spam it, which is why I will press left click on prompt and then enter and then spam this. So I'm going to get multiple outputs at once. As you can see, everything is working right now. Of course, you need a subscription, so you can use it. But yeah, as you can already see, AI is currently not able to keep up and just replicate text styles, so you still need to make specific changes by yourself. Alright, so the texts are now completed and generated, and when you watch this, you can see the texts are kinda good looking, especially this one. But it's definitely not the style I asked it to do, so I asked it for this text style, and it came up with this and all of these different text styles, but nothing that I wanted. But since I don't get a header right now, I can just use any text that seems cool and save it. For example, this one is pretty good, so I'm going to upscale it on creative and then subtle. I'm going to look where the AI will do a good job, but we can see that the font is pretty basic right now, and I don't want this. So the 3D text right here is really good, but the font itself is kinda meh. So I'm just going to use remix, strong, or subtle. You can change whatever you want here, and then you want to type in, for example, Old London font. Of course, it won't do exactly the Old London font, but it will maybe come up with a similar font concept. So just duplicate the prompt a few times and hope that ChatGPT, Midjourney goes and types in Old London on Google, and then not Old London Bridge, Old London font, and then it sees this font and thinks, oh, maybe I should change the font. And you can see in this image it kinda did with the P, especially, but overall it's not that really good of an output. But this time you can see it got the style a little bit more like the first image I wanted, at least for the colors. And I would say this text right here is actually usable, so I'm going to upscale this as well. But yeah, it's not perfect, of course. It's still in the early phases, but yeah. Planes, I don't know. It kind of looks cursed, but I'm just going to download it and save it for later. Okay, these texts are not really good. This would be usable actually. So let me upscale this too. And Nah, that's not it, brother. That's also not good. I already got this one, so yeah, that's it for these decks. I'm just going to wait for them to upscale and then I'll be back. Alright, so once you upscale them, I just make sure to switch on relax with the speed again so it doesn't use my fast hours, and then you can open up Photoshop. By the way, I'm using the official version and also the latest, if you're wondering. I guess I never mentioned this, but now you guys know. Then just create a new file and use whichever format you need. And then just put in your files, your text files. So once you got the files in here, you wanna make sure to rasterize the layers and then press remove background. Then just equip your tool and remove the rest of the background by your hand. Because for some reason Photoshop can't fucking erase white background properly. I don't know what the shit is, but yeah, see you soon. Alright, so it's not perfect, of course, it's still pretty shitty, but whatever. Just for the sake of this tutorial, I wanna show you how you can actually use the text in your header then. So just upscale it a little bit, make it a little bit bigger, and then make it a little bit more 3D looking. Maybe just duplicate the layer before you do shit like this. Then transform the layer however you want, so it looks a little bit more alive, and yeah. So there we go. A little bit more. Okay. You can try your best to make it look as 3D as possible. So now we just need a render, right? Maybe I still got some renders right here in the download tab. Let me find something real quick. Not these ones. Also not. There ain't no fucking renders right here. At least no good renders. Nah. Okay, I'm just picking a random render, so we can move on with the tutorial. Right, so I just used this guy. Okay. Then put it behind. Kinda like this. Let's go. And then just at the rest of the header, I just spam some random shit right now. There we go, so I just added some random shit to the header and then applied finals to see what the text could look like in the final header. And I gotta admit that if you keep in mind, I just use like, I don't know, 3 minutes or something to generate a text, and then, yeah, did the rest of the header. So it's pretty amazing, to be fair. Of course, you can do better text by manually just rendering this 3D text in Cinema 4D with a good Lightroom, and then applying 2D layer, 3D layer, whatever. But if you keep it in mind that you just need like a few minutes and AI, I would say it's pretty good as a result. So before and after the finals on the text, I guess the text is pretty good. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. And also what is important, I wanna start a like school or academy or whatever where I can teach you guys designs. So there would be weekly and daily tutorials and also challenges, as well as free PhDs and awards. So for example, if you do a good header for the one challenge, like the weekly challenge, then you rank up in the leaderboard and you can talk and message with others in a private Discord and also ask me questions anytime. If you would be interested in something like this, you can just message me on Discord. I'm currently seeing if there would be enough people actually signing up for this kind of service. If so, I would actually launch it in 2025, so next year. Yeah, please let me know what you think about the text in the comments down below. I think it's pretty good if you keep in mind that it only took me like 3 minutes or something to make the text in Midjourney, and yeah, keep in mind 50 likes and the new video will drop instantly. Have a nice day, guys. Bye bye. See ya.